How to lock chats on WhatsApp. To lock the chats on WhatsApp, first of all, you can open the Play Store and check your WhatsApp is updated. Search for WhatsApp and update your WhatsApp app if it is not. After this, open the WhatsApp. Now choose the chat you want to lock and click on it. Click on the group and scroll down and you can see chat lock option in the last. Click on it and turn on this lock this chat with fingerprint and enter your fingerprint. And now you can see my chat was locked, and you can access from this lock chat from scroll down above and you can see lock chats. That's it. Thanks for watching. Follow for more such helpful videos.